welcome back to Coyote Classics. Today we are checking out a beautiful Mustang coupe. One of the sharpest Mustang coupes we've had through our doors in a while. Gorgeous silver paint. It's got the GT stripe, GT fog lights, GT dual exhaust.
As I open up the door, Dalton, all the interior lights work. This is a very crisp car.
Yeah, I mean, it's got a great look, very nice paint. The interior's immaculate.
It is. And you know, this has a rally pack with a working tack and clock.
Yeah.
And ice cold air conditioning.
It's got kind of everything you'd want in a
I got the air
Mustang.
running right now and it's blowing ice cold.
And under the hood's beautiful too. It's got the engine dress-up kit with the chrome valve covers, air cleaner, all the chrome support bars. Bottom side of the hood paint's gorgeous.
And how about that? Brand new power steering pump. Looks like they had a new booster at one time. AC blows ice cold. Lines look good. Just a really, really, really clean car. This has got all the correct GT equipment on it. It's got the, but it is not a GT car. It's a factory C code. So a C code would have been a 289 two-barrel car from the factory. But it's got the style steel wheels. It's got the GT emblems, the GT stripe, the GT fog lights, the rally pack, the GT gas cap, GT dual exhaust.
And when you mentioned crisp, you know, one of the things we look at with that is the chrome and bright work. And on this, they're excellent. The bumpers look brand new. All your horse and corral, chrome around the grill is in good shape.
This silver has a ton of metallic in it too, and it's laid out beautifully. All the way across, the back of the hood lines up, top of the fenders line up nice.
Yeah, that's one of the things I noticed when I looked at this car is sometimes silver, you got to be really good when you're painting something silver. And whoever painted this did an excellent job. There's no blotchiness. All the metallic seems to be laid really evenly. The style steel wheels look new, and they're not the caps either. They're the style steel wheels.
All chrome.
Yep, all chrome and very nice. The BFG raised wet letter tires are in good shape as well. Front fender here looks excellent. The GT emblem, you can tell they probably were off a real GT car because they have some age on those. Those would be factory emblems for one.
It's got the newer style antenna. It looks like it's got an AM/FM radio in it. And one thing I noticed when I was sitting behind the driver's wheel, and I don't usually focus on this, but you can tell the windshield's brand new. I mean, it's crystal clear through there.
Yeah, and top of the dash is very nice as well.
It's got the dual chrome mirrors, and just look how nice this bottom of the door matches up. Whoever did the bodywork and paint on this did a fantastic job. And I think it was probably an 80-some thousand mile car. It's the way the car lines up is very possible that's original miles.
It is, and it's been very nicely restored. I like the black GT stripe down the side. It adds a lot to this car. All your bright work on the rear end of the car, excellent as well. Bumper looks new. The trumpet exhaust tips are beautiful, shine nice. GT gas cap, even your taillight surrounds.
These little pieces here, I mean, and the car has all been freshly buffed and waxed. We didn't do it, but I mean, you could tell it's been kept up. But these pieces here are just bolt-on pieces, like in each corner. They don't line up perfectly, but they're just like a rubberized fiberglass
kind of fender
piece.
Extension. Yeah, they're just, they're not part of the quarter. They
did a great job in here. Rubbers have been replaced. Did a beautiful job painting the jack instructions. You can tell when the restoration done, it's got an old Kenwood 6-disc CD changer. Pretty cool.
I think it's actually even a 10-disc.
Oh.
I think she told me. So it's not just a normal 6-disc.
You can put all your CDs in this baby.
All your CDs. If you can find a CD or have a CD yet, you can fit all of them in there.
It looks like the glass might be lightly tinted as well. It's got the one rear speaker, beautiful package tray, top of the back seat is nice.
And this area too in a Mustang, you always like to look because it's this stress area, leaded area of the car, and there's no cracks, no bubbling, no anything for imperfections here in the paint. Just a lot of beautiful metallic. The interior, when I looked at it, was one of my favorite parts about the car. It's just very crisp. Door panels are excellent. Those still look brand new. All your hardware and handles look great. Seats line up well.
Let's go to the door a second, D. They put all new felts and rubbers in when they restored it, so they did a good job here. The bottom corner of the doors had just a little tiny bit of smoothed off here, not thick at all, but just that little line there. It's got just a little bit of seam seal in there. But they did a nice job on the door jamb here on the driver's side as well, as far as the paint goes. And as you mentioned, it's got new seat belts all the way around. Headliner's nice and tight, visor's tight, and it's got the wood grain wheel with the rally pack.
Yeah, headliner's beautiful. The seats, good cushion and nice covers. And we sit behind the wheel, just feels nice in here. The wood grain's nice. I love the rally pack. We haven't seen that, on too many Mustangs lately.
Nope.
I like when they do that. The clock works and the tack works, and that here's your factory
air conditioner box, and when you got air conditioner from the factory or aftermarket, dealer add-on, you'd get the small console like this one. It wouldn't. So it's a special console to fit with the factory air.
Glove box is nice. Rear mirrors new and nice and tight.
Speaking of air conditioner, we might as well go ahead and roll our windows up because we're going to be running that air. The back window goes up great, and so does the front one. Really lines up nice too.
It does. Driver's side's nice and straight as well. There's really not much to talk about for imperfections in the paint. It's really a show car. You take to the show, pop the hood.
I've seen a lot of worse cars than this at a show.
Oh yeah, this one would win.
This is a gorgeous car.
This one would win you a trophy. Just beautiful. Not perfect. Nothing's perfect, but it's better than your.
Yeah, look at both of the doors. Car. Both of the doors fit great. Anymore, if you're going to go and get a car restored, you could spend $20,000 pretty easy in paint and body work.
Exactly.
Same thing here in this corner of the door. This is all excellent right here. It's got the factory tag as well. But just right on this corner, you can just tell it just had just a little bit of seam seal in there. Yep. Door panel is beautiful. They repainted everything on the inside of the door panels as well when they took them off. Painted the dash, painted all the A-pillars and stuff like that as well.
And the wood grain looks excellent. Carpet's nice. Seats are in great shape.
Just like how those doors shut and fit. Top of the door lines up awesome on the back of the door and on the front and on the back of the hood is absolutely perfectly flush. Whoever put this together was really an eye for detail,
Yeah, did a great job. And the lady that had this previously, she had owned it for about 10 years.
Okay.
So, long-term ownership. She took care of it, drove it, took it to shows, and
it's got 82,855 miles, and that odometer and gauges are super crisp and clear. Gas gauge works. Heater fan works.
Yeah. And the air works.
AC
That's
works.
what I care about.
Here, just kick in.
And even the light for your shifter in the indicator in the
nice?
console works, which tells you a lot about it too. That's something that
not many people fix.
Correct.
I hate trying to get a radio station.
98.5.
98.5.
Yeah. Maybe not. Maybe we're not. Not sure. It's got a little aftermarket antenna.
I don't know, but she does have a 10-disc CD changer if you want to get crazy.
It does have a 10-disc CD changer, and it's got speakers all hooked up.
Temperature gauge works, amp gauge works, oil pressure is great. Tachometer works. Right now we're idling about 9 in gear. We're idling about 900 RPMs. Put it down into park, and we're at 7. So you're right, Dalton. It did come down. It was at about 15 high idle when I started it. Whoever did the headliner must have had a upholstery shop really professionally do this interior.
Yeah, I think she had it painted. Would have been about 7-8 years ago, I think.
Okay. Look at the dash pad's even great, isn't it?
Yeah.
That's a way better car than I thought when you bought it, D. I thought it was a good car, but it's a freaking great car.
Yeah, it's very nice.
How about that AC? That's what's nice in a Mustang. It's really nice just to put this AC in. It's so much cheaper than like a vintage air. Mm-hmm. So Fords are kind of lucky that way.
Yeah. Nice shift, runs good.
Transmission shifts first, second, third really nicely. Brake stop nice and straight. Speedometer works. Just idles nice, doesn't it?
It does.
Shocks feel good.
It's a really good running car.
It's got a little mark right here in the visor, see it?
Yeah, it's almost like
somebody probably had
a mirror or something on it.
Yeah, they probably did.
But, yeah, it's one of the things. Obviously the condition is very nice, but one of the things I liked when I got it back to the shop and drove it down the highways, just how it runs and drives down the road and how it handles. Good car.
Well, and how many of them have power steering brakes in there in 1966?
Yeah, not many coupes that you'll have all those options.
Kickdown works good. Tons of power. Steering's nice and straight. I mean, that's right up to 70 mile an hour. I really like it. It's a great car. No noise coming from that rear end, no little howl. Really no vibrations at 60, 65 to speak of. This little Mustang, you can race somebody.
I know, and I like it. We're both bigger guys, and usually these coupes, for whatever reason, seem kind of tight. But
they put the seats back, I think.
Yeah, I think they have added to the track. So I know when I sat behind the wheel, I felt so comfortable. I feel like I had
I like
all
Mustangs
kinds of room. I know. Like now, there's a coupe that you know I'd drive home just because it's comfortable too.
Horn works as well. Here's your brakes. No movement in the steering wheel at all on the brakes. We'll go through the transmission first, second, third ones.
Shift it manually. That way you can hear all the gears shift.
I mentioned the clock works, right?
As well as you're liking this thing, what's that mean for my finder fee? Is that increase?
I didn't give you one. I paid you by the hour on this one. I think I did give you one, didn't I?
A
little bit, not much. You can maybe take your wife out to eat. Wife out to eat, and that's about it.
Yeah.
All right, here we go. First. Second. Third. 75. Just like that. No shaking, nothing.
No. Whoever buys it's gonna get a great car and be very happy with it. All your gauges work, all your options work. Just a nice one. So check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.